Hello everyone. I start by adjusting the hair volume on the model, and then proceed to cut the length. I begin by removing a small amount of volume from the hair ends, and then adjust the volume in the inner hair and hair ends. The goal is not to thin the hair, but to create a loose and three-dimensional look that feels just right. With this combination, as I cut the hair length, I simultaneously use the scissors on the top to adjust the volume. This results in a clean, cutting line for the hairstyle. For the top section, I use 2 scissors to trim the hair ends and reduce the weight. Point cut with 2 scissors. Soft and beautiful hair ends. I also use this special distinct spacing Vern Styling Scissors 6ED to create a unique wispy effect. With the slanting texturizing technique in the middle and ends of the hair.
Welcome to leave a comment. Hit the like, share, subscribe buttons, and click the bell to receive notifications of latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. You wanna buy Vern Scissors? Get more details in description.